Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous bag to show you. So this is the Mulberry Lily, so a really classic looking mulberry, and it's in this clay colour leather, which is really soft, tactile, really usable feeling leather, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is the size medium. So we've got this adjustable strap here, so you can have it as those double top handles like that, or it just pulls through nice and easily like that if you'd rather have it as a single longer strap too. Attached to that top handle we've got that mulberry cloche and padlock, you can see just poking out the bottom there, and then we've got a flap closure with the iconic mulberry postman's lock, and inside we've got one flat pocket, flat zipped pocket at the back there, with a lovely soft suede lining in a similar kind of neutrally clay colour. So a really gorgeous bag. The condition of the exterior we've called good. It's mostly for these bottom corners, so you can see there's just a bit of rubbing. You can see there's a little bit of lighter marking, so along those corners, again on the front here, got a little bit of rubbing on that trim on the corner, and it's a similar thing on the opposite side, just a little bit of rubbing and marking on those corners, but for the most part actually it is in a really nice condition. You can see we've got just a little bit of a mark on the back here, but other than that it is really beautiful, in a gorgeous condition. Again, that clay colour just looks really classy, and it's a lovely neutral colour too. The hardware we've called fair. It's mostly for this plaque, this Mulberry postman's lock. You can see on the actual little tan lock there, that gold tone has faded away quite a bit, and it's quite dark and silver on the end there, and then there is just some hairline scratching and things like that on that hardware. So that is why the hardware is called fair, but again it still looks really nice and shiny, and that chain strap hardware as well is in a lovely condition still. The interior we've called very good. There's no particular marks or anything like that for me to show you on the interior. You can see there's a really small little mark perhaps there, but other than that we've just called it very good because you can tell that it has been used before, but it is in a really nice condition. If you would like to know the exact measurements for it, I'll show you what it comes with first actually. So we've got the little Mulberry product tag as well as the Mulberry dust bag, and if you would like to know the exact measurements for it, again it is in the size medium, the exact measurements for that size will be in the link in the description below. So if you are interested in buying, that is the link to shop. You'll find a few more specific details on this bag there, so have a look at that link. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but it is a gorgeous bag, so if you're sad that you missed out on it, don't worry, we can get you on our request list. We get in loads of beautiful mulberry all the time, so if you're a mulberry lover, just let us know, send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and we'll pop you on that request list, so as soon as we get in something that you like, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email, and it'll have the link to shop, and then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. I'll show you the size on me, as well as having those exact measurements on our website. So with that long strap, you can have it as a shoulder, which sits a bit lower, or for a more on the go look, you can have it as a crossbody as well. And this strap just feels so lovely. You can really feel the quality of it while it's sat on you. But you can also have it as those double top handles. So I'm usually a crossbody person, but I really like this actually, to get that pulled through there, as a shoulder, with those shorter straps as well. You can see if you pop it on there, those chain straps are really nice and comfortable, and they just sit perfectly on your shoulder. It's a lovely size, not too big so that it gets in the way. I'm quite a small person, so I feel like a big bag sometimes drowns me a bit, but this is really nice and spacey, without being too big. It just sits perfectly under your shoulder like that. It's really nice, simple shape, perfect for everyday use. and a really classy, elegant looking bag as well. So if you would like more details on it, go to the link in the description below, sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know on that page. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, subscribe to our channel as well if you're a bag lover like we are, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.